Okay, let's switch.
Hey.
But a winter storm watch is in effect for a big chunk of real estate. Just want to point out the size of the dark red that you see here on this map.
All right. We saw the weather. It's all painted red. That means you're in a winter watch. That's all going to change here Wednesday into Thursday. We looked outside and it's sunny and dry. A couple more days, it's going to change. Good morning, America, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to the post office. I have a package I'm going to deliver. For the first time, I sent the wrong item. My car's talking to me. I sent the wrong item to my customer, so now I gotta resend them this package to them. And we're in a winter storm warning. Nothing going on for now except maybe a little freezing mist. Look at the winter storm warning they had on the TV earlier this afternoon, or actually this week.
But a winter storm watch is in effect for a big chunk of real estate. Just want to point out the size of the dark red that you see here on this map.
All right, let's go to the post office. And with this winter storm warning, we are expected 4 to 8 inches of snow. What I'm doing now will be impossible tomorrow. I think it's going to be impossible through Friday, Saturday. It's dry for the most part. Still good traction. Won't be for long. It's supposed to be early afternoon, and that's the first wave starts to move in, and then the second wave moves in tomorrow. They've already canceled all the schools. They canceled last night since the storm's coming in early morning, or excuse me, early afternoon. We're going to cancel all the schools. Currently 27 degrees. Streets are somewhat dry, but there is drizzle falling and it's freezing. It's not my car. A little excitement up here. The old folks' home. It's like a sick call. Got the ambulance in. Here we are, post office. I said postman, it's post office. I had a customer order an item figurine from me. It was a Napco figurine. I have 2 of them, and I picked the wrong one and sent to her. So now I'm sending her this one, the correct one. Let's go and send it off, shall we? Here we are. Show links prohibited or restricted. Nope. And continue. Listen for the beep. Hit. All right. Ooh. I don't have Ash Elf here to help me, so I'm going to stay on the good list because I like Christmas. All right. There it goes. All right, Eugene, Oregon, you have mail. Or I should say you got mail. Well, when it does snow, I hope I don't get stuck, but if I do, at least somebody can see me. And this old bright orange stuff. We have a cart. Ooh, leaving a booger. This thing didn't roll at all. Oh yeah. That's a good one here. Woo! Cooking burgers are good. I'm at Walmart. I need some carrots for this big snowstorm hits. So I got something to snack on. I call them my Cheetos. Uh-oh. Not looking good. Here. That's it. Get you back to Cheetos. Thank you. Do they have sweet corn here? It's nice. Too much. There's whole corn. Ah, why not? It's only $2. $2 for that. Look at that. I think a snowstorm's coming or something. Yeah, even the milk's even gone. A lot of it. How about some chocolate milk? Is that good? All right. Now the cheeses are gone. The best Cheez-Its. Good fair amount of cookies. So you get to the Oreos. Okay, the only bad purchase I'm making today is the Cheez-Its. have it on there twice. So let's see here. Put this in the bag. I gotta get rid of one of these guys. How do we remove that? Daniel. Cancel it. There we go.
Cancel items.
Remove it.
Confirm cancel. Please wait for assistance.
Okay.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Hi there.
Item canceled.
I actually ran the corn on twice. I just needed one.
Cancel items.
I already did that part.
Oh, okay.
Just waiting for you to do what you need to do.
Cancel item.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, you're all right.
I already did that part. We'll have to redo it again then.
Confirm cancel. Please wait for assistance.
Oh, I'm doing good today. Okay. I got 2 corns removed. Yeah, I think I will. Now I'm going to add my corn back in there. Alright. Now let's start. Alright, we made it back. Driving too bad. Streets are still kind of dry. I guess they call this freezing mist, but it's supposed to get worse. Alright, it's 20 minutes after 2 and the snow is starting to fall. Getting a little bit on the ground. And they say as the day progresses into the evening time, it's going to get a whole lot worse. We're expected 4 to 8 inches, if not 10. That's what they say on the news channel. Okay, since it's so cold outside, thought we'd make some food. Make a little taco soup here. Corn, mild, what do you call it, rotel, a couple cans of the dark red kidney beans, and let's see what else we have up here. It's going to be on this side. Oh yes. The ranch dressing and Taco Bell seasoning. We got the news on it telling us how cold it is outside. Okay, that was the sour cream. Now this is the Taco Bell seasoning here. Just toss that in there. Then we're going to give it a stir. Oop, got one more thing. There we go. A little bit of beef broth. Now we're going to stir this all together. Put it on the stove. Let's use a spoon, shall we? Stir it up pretty good. Best we can, because the corn's kind of frozen together. Let's put it on the stove and start to cook it. Alright, we'll turn it on here. On one. And then on. Put it on high. When it comes to a rolling boil, let's start cooking it in good. Then we'll turn it down to simmer. poor light bulb's out on this side. So we can slide it over here, can't we? And there we go. We're cooking. All right. Okay, just an hour and 20 minutes later, 30 minutes later, got a little snow on the ground. It is pretty slippery. See, we got a mailman came. Whew, what's the flood? Look like a good snowman. Oh yeah, this will make good snowman. Snow walls in there. We get more snow on the ground. I say more's to come. All right. Well, it's now 10 minutes past 7. No, it's not. I'm sorry. 10 minutes till 8 o'clock this evening. It's still snowing. That's the wind blowing it off the roof, I think. Now you can't see much of the spotlight. On or off? Try to turn it off for you. There you go. Let's just see how much snow, how deep it is. Alright. Sure I got it right. Yeah, I got it upside down. And here's see how deep it is. Not very deep, doesn't feel very deep. Can you tell? Whew, not a bad angle. So far, it is like 1.5 inches. And more snow. It's going to be snowing all day tomorrow too. So 1.5 inches since I guess 20 minutes after 2 this afternoon. Alright, let's see what it looks like in the morning. Ooh, welcome back. Alright, it's the next day. Let's see how much snow we have. I'm going to say we got maybe 2 inches. It's not looking very much. They say another inch is coming in, maybe possibly 2. Woo, big snow event. All right, here we go. Let's see here. Just about 2/10, 2 inches, a tenth. Another inch coming in. So we'll have about 3 inches. They said possibly 2 more inches. So 2 inches, a little over 2 inches, and they say possibly up to another inch or more coming in. More they say maybe 4 inches. I don't know. Now looking like it. See if it can pack into a snowball. Yeah, kinda. Does it roll? Nah, too fluffy. Too powdery. I'll let it get warmed up. Alright. My hands are cold. Some kids are going sledding. Alright, let's take a walk around and look at the pretty sight. The snow. Alright, here it is. Winter weather. Just snow on top of little ice. When I started. Came from over that hill. We're walking this way. Taking in the sights. Looking around at the neighbors. Still snowing a little bit. I don't know how cold it is. Last time I looked it was like 17 degrees. Last week it was 70. 17. Next week it's going to be up in the 50s. Excited for that. Whew. Last time I measured it was 2.5 inches. We maybe have 3. Didn't quite get to the 4 to 8 inches, possibly 10 inches they thought was coming in. Came a bit short. Nice. So don't fall down. Walk across the street here. Did get mail today. Mail services are working. All right. Right. Going that way. I think we're heading to this park. Well, there's been too many people walking through here. It's kind of a steep hill over here. A lot of sledding goes on. Let's see if anybody's sledding today. Oh, someone's on the swing set. A little bit of sledding going on over here. That's the big spot. For snow, too much powder to make snowballs or snowmans yet. If you squeeze really hard, yeah, but not much for a snowman or snowball. Woo! A little deep through here. Snow in action. This used to be a pond. Drained it, put the neighborhood in, put in basketball goals. Put a dam, the pond's on the other side. Yeah, man-made. Hands are cold. See this guy come down this slope. Oh, this tree here. My nephew, and he's a little bitty, 6 years old, broke his leg on it. Bad. I heard it crack. I'll show you the pond, it's right over here. Hey, I don't know if you can see it yet. This pond. Whew, nice. This pond, just go all the way around over there. A wild pond, natural pond, wild pond. Alright. There's a big sled area in the area. Oh, yep, that happens a lot here. Broken sleds. This part's fun over here, but you end up hitting a tree or sliding off into the creek. Gotta shoot the gap a little bit here. I think those kids are tired, they're all laying down over there. Alright. Alright. That'll do it for this video. Hey, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Subscribing keeps you up to date and in the loop with all my video uploads. Please turn on the bell. The bell is a post notification icon. It'll alert that I push a video. And please hit that like button. Alright, see you guys next time. like an accident. Something caused the attention of the emergency vehicles. Go that way. Could be a house fire. It's a fire. Could be a wreck. Who knows? The house is in the way. Here comes a car. Sidewalk. Yeah, this video is over. Thanks, isn't it? Mercedes going somewhere.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.